Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Today we're going to show you how to reset the service light on this Citroen C3 Picasso. You can see we've got the service light there and the little spanner next to the mileage. The first thing I'm going to do is turn the ignition off. I'm going to press and hold the 0 button there, then turn the ignition back on. I'll just do that now. So we've done that, and you can see we've got just try that again. Just let off the button there, but you can see we've got just do it again. We've got a timer counting down from 10. Let that get to 0. Release the button. Turn the ignition off. And back on. You see that's all been reset now. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.